Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Theft Detection and Controlling System of a Vehicle using GSM and GPS using Arduino. So here we are using Arduino Uno R3, GSM SIM 800L, power supply, theft key, 16x2 LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, engine 7th pin, GPS is 3rd pin. So let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using GSM SIM 800L. So you can use any SIM card, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. So here we are using Idea SIM card. Sixteen cross 2 LCD display and power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board. So here GSM, GPS, key, engine, key. So key should be always red side. GPS module, GPS GY6M V2 module. Blue color LED is on and off. So specifications are, so start, LCD display, key. Otherwise owner should on the vehicle, engine on, engine motor off. By the by, somebody start the vehicle on, given to friends, family and any other person. Somebody started on, engine on, sending SMS to the owner mobile number. Owner can track the vehicle. If they are providing no message, no, then if they switch off the vehicle, engine off, SMS should be sent to the owner mobile. So owner can track any time of the vehicle with latitude, longitude. So otherwise vehicle track will get the SMS alert. So here is our programming part. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, GPS, 16x2 LCD display. So engine on, motor off, vehicle track, no message. Now I am going to start the power supply. So vehicle theft detection, GSM, GPS and Arduino Uno R3. Okay, latitude value, longitude value. Here blue color LED is on and off. Okay, initializing GSM modem. Then it will say initialized successfully. Then it will say initialized successfully. Once it is completed, open the app. No key detected. Okay, if key detected, there is second process. So first process is engine on. Owner can start the engine and owner can stop the engine. Engine on. Array, wrong SMS. Engine on, then sent. Owner is starting the vehicle with their SMS as engine is started. Okay, motor off. Okay, this owner can start and stop. Engine off, engine is off. Okay, no key detected. So now key detected. So key is green color. Engine on, and it is sending the SMS alert to here, this mobile number. Okay, here we will vehicle engine on, location, vehicle location place, latitude value, longitude value. If you press this, then just once on the Google map location. Okay, so it is showing my SVS embedded here. So this is the place. Okay, now owner s ash in no must and should, we need to give the information. So this is not me, this is our somebody. Paste no no. Okay, no no star. So vehicle track, latitude value, longitude value. So we will receive one SMS alert, vehicle is tracked, location alert is, so this is the latitude value and longitude value, we will receive one SMS alert. Yeah, vehicle tracked, vehicle location, latitude value, longitude value. Okay, so then, so theft to stop the vehicle or vehicle stop, there is another option is there, sorry, not stop, vehicle track only, not stop, vehicle track. Otherwise theft stop the vehicle, vehicle stopped, so engine is off. So again we received an SMS alert, engine is stopped, so latitude value, longitude value. Vehicle engine off. Okay, latitude value, longitude value. Otherwise, so you can track the vehicle also, VEC TRACK, VEC TRACK, then press star. So VEC TRACK, again you will receive one SMS alert, vehicle track location after stopping the vehicle, you can track it anytime. So this is main concept is from X person, specification they given, so I like this, so I did this project. So in next project they asking on camera also, ESP32 camera, so I did that project also, ESP32 camera. If you are sending no message, then capturing alert to our mobile phone. So next video on Telegram app, in the Telegram app we are receiving the photo alerts. So theft person who is sitting on the driver's seat, so this is next part. So this is the concept, in the concept they added the camera also. So thanking you, if there is any doubt let me know to SVS Embedded.